Good day, M4618. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Joanna Bales, married with two children, 19 and 22. I only completed 2 years in college. I I have over 6 years experience as a helper.
Okay. In Hong Kong?
No, sir, in Philippines and in Hong Kong.
Okay. You have experience in Hong Kong. What are your main duty and responsibility as a helper there?
I work for a family of 5, taking care of a newborn baby and babysitting and preparing breakfast for my mom and household chores like cleaning the house, washing dishes, washing the clothes, and assist in marketing and cooking. Also car washing.
Okay. And you have also experience here in the Philippines. What are your main duty and responsibility?
My main duties and responsibility is taking care of the children, the child, and cooking, marketing, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, and ironing the clothes.
Okay. I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby.
Yes, sir, I have.
How will you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
To prepare milk for a newborn baby, you need to wash your hand by soap and water, and then uh,
After you wash your hands,
prepare the milk ready for the baby is sterilize first the bottle of the baby, and then make sure it is already dry before putting the correct amount of water and milk formulation according to the formulation given by your mom or
your
the
son,
the
pediatrician.
pediatrician.
Okay. Um, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
Uh, First, I will check the diaper if it is full, and then also check the temperature and um,
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to help my family, especially my son in his college education, and also finish it, and also my father-in-law who is in dialysis for his maintenance medication.
Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Uh, I will I will finish my contract, and as long as my employer needs want me to stay there.
You will stay with them.
Yes,
Okay. Do you
sir.
know? I hope that you know how to cook Chinese food, right?
Just a simple Chinese food.
What kind of Chinese food can you cook?
Stir-fried vegetables, steamed fish, and braised pork, and chicken.
Okay. If the employer prepared some food that you're not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared for you.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of the member of the family of your employer don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
Okay, last question. Message for your future employer.
For my future employer, please hire me. And I am a hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and dedicated person. And I also take my work seriously, and I will do my best in every task you give me.
Okay, thank you very much. M4618, Miss Joanne B. Navales.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.